We have more breaking news to bring you. Another example of the fire danger situation out there. Gatlinburg firefighters tell us they're putting out hot spots from a wildfire that popped up this afternoon outside the city limits on Greenbrier Lane off Wiley Oakley Drive. A city spokesperson says fire crews were sent out just after 1 o'clock this afternoon. I want to emphasize they managed to contain the fire. The city estimates about 2 acres were affected. 3 buildings were threatened at one point. Again, the work to finish off that fire continues right now. Firefighters do not want it to flare up again. Meanwhile, the city of Gatlinburg wants residents and visitors to stay alert with a red flag warning lasting through midnight tonight. Now, we just mentioned Sevier County's burn ban. Gatlinburg has a matching ban in place. The same is true for Sevierville, Pigeon Forge, and Pittman Center.